Everybody, this is Ishi and you're watching my channel for since. Today I need to share with you a review on Cloth Factory clothes. Been quite while now for me shopping from Cloth Factory. Cloth Factory has changed a lot in a term of free shipping, COD, cash on delivery. I always purchase from Cloth Factory, but I never hated it. I had a little confusion on their quality of product. So I have decided to purchase some of product from them, like some of top from them. So this video is related to review on the Cloth Factory haul. Hope you will like it, and if you really find out this video helpful, please share it with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe my channel, and please give a big thumbs up to this video. And yeah.